Hey guys, congratulations on making it to this course and enrolling. My name is Joe Paris and I've been buying and selling cryptocurrencies for years now. And for the past 2 or 3 months, I've really started to invest deeper, really spend more time at this. And before we get started with this course, I just wanted to say that I'm not a financial advisor or expert or somebody that, you by any means should be, taking your own hard-earned money and investing in some of the things that I'm saying here. All I want to share with you is how to invest in more than 200 different cryptocurrencies. And basically, you need to be smart and do your own research about the different cryptocurrencies that you could potentially invest in. And yes, I'm just not liable for anything that happens with the decisions that you make. Just wanted to get that out there. And now let's go ahead and get started. Now, in our next video, I'm going to break down how this course is structured, but I really want to have this course be quick, fast. It's only going to be right around 30 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to buy more than 200 cryptocurrencies in just 30 minutes. I don't think you need hours upon hours of analytics and data and all this kind of fun stuff. No, you probably just want to sit down, open up an account and start, doing the trading. The best way to learn is through actually doing and applying. So that's my aim in this course, is to get you in there, get your hands and feet in there and get doing it. Now, I have invested more than $30,000 in one platform. I've invested more than $2,500 in another platform, and I'm continuing to invest more and more into cryptocurrencies myself. And in this course, as a very special bonus, at the end of the course, I'm going to share with you my top 3 choices for sleeper kind of cryptocurrencies that I think are going to be on the rise and could potentially have you earn hundreds of thousands of potentially millions of dollars. Now, again, I cannot make any promises. All I want to do is share what I have learned, and then we're going to dive right into it because I show you step by step, and I even make trades with you in real time in these videos so you know and you can see everything. It's wide out, it's in the open. You can see how much my accounts are worth, how much of a balance I'm using. Everything is transparent, and I really appreciate sharing that with you because I think that it just makes it that much more credible to you as a viewer who's actually watching this. Make sure to give this, again, if you are enjoying the videos, a thumbs up or a positive review of the course, and I really appreciate all of your support, guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in our next video.